about online bullying, bashing.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any experience about that and paano po kayo or any reminder po sa kids nyo na especially yung mga pumasok
Well,
sa
talaga, the movie is about yan nga, yung anti-bullying, either cyber or whatever, ganyan. Panahon ko kasi, hindi naman I mean, hindi pa masyadong ano yung bullying. Yung kaklase kang makulit, di ba? Yun lang, now it's, siguro it's very different now. Nag-evolve ganyan, may nasasaktan, may gagawin. So, the movie talks about that, how to, paano wag mangyari sa'yo yung gano'n, or how to fight it, how to cope with it. Yun yung that's what the movie is.
Sure, can we expect you? Where can you? Like, saan ka namin nakakabangan yung
Sana sa LBS.
Sana talaga. Pero, manifesting.
may mga
2026, di ba?
Pero sir, kamusta? Kumbaga natutuwa rin ba kayo sa tinatak ng career ni Janine ngayon?
Oo naman.
When was the last time you worked with her?
Sa ano pa? Sa kabilang
Stasyon. Pero dito hindi pa kasi nasa ano na siya. Pero are you happy with her love life ngayon with
Ako kasi
Jericho?
basta happy siya, happy ako.
Mm.
Yun lang ako, wala akong okay sa ganito.
When was the last time kinag-usap?
Ay, nagkano kami, kakarating lang namin. We went on holiday, the whole family. Bukol kami.
Kasama po ba si Jericho dyan? Pero what can you say about Jericho being a partner of Janine?
Wala akong masabing not good about it.
Mm.
Kakakilala ko sa kanya, at saka sa panahon na lagi din kami magkasama. Very happy naman siya. So, happy.
Open to work with him soon also kung sakali. Thank you sir, congratulations.